Turning off your Samsung Galaxy phone is a simple task, but the steps may vary depending on your device model. Whether you prefer using the physical buttons or the on-screen controls, Samsung provides multiple ways to safely power down your phone. Knowing both methods is helpful, especially if your phone's buttons stop working or you need an alternative option. Method 1. Turn off your phone using the physical buttons. The quickest and most common way to power off a Samsung Galaxy phone is by using the physical buttons. Press and hold the side, power button and the volume down button at the same time. Continue holding them for about 2 to 3 seconds until the power menu appears on your screen. Once the menu is displayed, tap power off, then tap power off again to confirm your choice. Your phone will safely shut down within a few seconds. This method works on most recent Samsung Galaxy smartphones, including the Galaxy S, Galaxy A, Galaxy Z, and Galaxy Note series. If you simply want to restart your phone, you can choose the restart option from the same menu instead of power off. Method 2. Turn off your phone from the quick settings panel. If your phone's physical buttons are broken, stuck, or difficult to use, Samsung also lets you power off the device through the software. Swipe down from the top of the screen using 2 fingers to fully expand the quick settings panel. In the upper right corner, next to the settings icon, tap the power icon. This will open the power menu. Select power off, then tap power off once more to confirm. Your phone will begin shutting down immediately. This method is especially useful if your buttons are not functioning properly or if you simply prefer using on-screen controls. We hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.